George, what is the most important thing to know to protect us from getting ripped off?
Is always budget. You know, I don't, I don't work with people who aren't on a budget one way or the other. I mean, budgets can range widely, but still, there's some kind of a budget, and I honor that. I'm like, hey, I get it. I can't just come in here and throw out $30,000 and $27,000 and let you, writhe around on the floor a little bit and then start trying to figure out what can you really afford. I'd much rather start with, okay, and I've got videos on this so that I don't play games with people. I just say, look, and when it comes to budget, I tell people, I haven't seen your bathroom. I don't know the scope of work. We haven't picked a tub out or anything. But I can tell you, realistically, we're going to be somewhere between $12,000 and $16,000. For me to go below 12,000 means, well, okay, there's something unique in terms of not as much installation. It's already a gutted bathroom. There's something that makes the scope of work less cumbersome, less expensive. To go over 16, you're adding extra therapies or doing extra tile work. We need to frame in a new surround, like whatever. But it should be based on the job and the scope of work, and you and your wife should be able to go, we got it. Okay, we were at 15,000 and we decided we wanted to add this therapy, and that therapy's $1,500, so now we're at 16. You're managing the budget process to the greatest extent possible.